Kittens are naturally full of energy, curiosity and playfulness. It's part of their growing process. Sometimes their hyperactive behavior can become overwhelming, especially during the night. There are gentle and effective ways to help your kitten relax and feel calm. Kittens are naturally full of playful energy, and providing them with plenty of playtime is one of the best ways to help them calm down. Engaging your kitten in regular play sessions allows them to release pent-up energy and satisfy their instinct to hunt and chase. Scheduling about 15 to 20 minutes of active play before bedtime can help tire them out, making them more relaxed and ready to sleep through the night. Toys are a great way to stimulate your kitten's mind and body, keeping them active and entertained. This interactive cat kicker toy is designed with a built-in motion sensor that activates whenever your cat touches it, making the toy flap and flutter like a real sparrow. The realistic movements and chirping sounds grab your cat's attention, encouraging them to chase, bite, and play. Feeding your kitten after playtime is an effective way to help them calm down and prepare for rest. A nutritious meal helps them feel full and content, encouraging them to settle down and rest peacefully. Make sure to provide food that's suitable for their age and growth stage, with the right portion size to avoid overeating. Establishing this routine of play followed by feeding helps regulate their energy levels and promotes better sleep patterns. Creating a cozy sleeping spot is essential to help your kitten feel calm, safe and ready to rest. Kittens are comforted by warmth and familiarity, so providing a soft bed, blanket, or warm towel in a quiet, dimly lit corner of your home helps them relax. This peaceful environment gives them a sense of security, away from loud noises or busy areas. Avoiding overstimulation is important to keep your kitten calm and comfortable. While playtime is essential, too much rough play, sudden movements, or loud noises can make kittens overly excited or even anxious. It's best to keep interactions gentle and positive, using soft voices and slow movements. A kitten calming diffuser is an easy and effective way to help your cat or kitten feel calmer and more secure at home. It works by releasing calming pheromones that send comforting signals to your cat, helping to reduce common signs of stress such as scratching, hiding, or reacting to changes in their environment. Simply plug it into an open outlet with the vents facing upward to create a peaceful, stress-free environment for your feline friend. With gentle care, love, and a few calming techniques, your playful little companion will gradually learn to settle down and enjoy peaceful moments by your side.